today we have come to JIBHI and it's extremely cold out here. And the place is very pretty. It's called the Misty Wilds, and it's just at like just near the river. The river is just here. You can't see from here. I'll show you when I go closer. And all the tents are laid along this thing down there. It's a pretty place, but it's so cold. It's so extremely cold, and there's no heater inside the tent. There's no toilet in the tent, so if you want to go to the washroom, you have to walk quite a distance to reach the washroom. And also it's so cold that you don't feel like getting outside. You have to like think so much. And yeah, this is the actual tent experience where you have to like live your life with great difficulty. You don't get everything easily, and that's what tent life is. And this is how the place is. It's in the valley, surrounded by these hills on both sides, and I'm in JIBHI. So like the washroom is over here, and the tents are all over there. It's so pretty, surrounded by these marigolds on both sides. Oh, and they have this kind of tents as well, but these are like just for show, I think. I don't think anyone ever gonna be able to live in this kind of a tent in this weather. These are the tents inside. I'll show it to you in some time, but see, we are just at the river. Finally the sun is out, and when the sun is out it feels so good. And sometimes I feel like, you know, the sun should be out only whole night also. Let the sun be out, because it makes such a big difference. And Kim's nose, come. We are heading for breakfast now. This is a nice place that way. It's called the Misty Wilds. I'll be putting it in my description. It's so pretty. There's a small kind of a trek to reach the place. Like we had to park outside, and then little bit, not much. So small, but look at this place. JIBHI is so beautiful. Kalwan. So before moving on to our next destination in Himachal, we thought of covering some nearby spots in JIBHI. The nearest one we could find was the JIBHI Waterfall. We are entering the JIBHI Waterfall, and this chilly. Okay, we are supposed to go to Himalayan National Park, but we cannot go because it's too far away, and that's why we are only going to the waterfall today. This is my Paka friend Dust.
Inspector Dust.
Okay, so this waterfall, we have already reached it. It's like, it was just like a 5-minute walk from the start. But yeah, the entire walk, the entire trail is like nice, small, peaceful, beautiful thing. A lot of streams on both sides, small, small bridges all over. And this is the waterfall. So close by.
You need a group photo below the waterfall.
Yeah, I'll do a wide angle from this.
You mean Rocky Road, Sandy Road? Now it is.
One minute.